Imagine waking up to a daily briefing created just for you. No doom scrolling, no clutter, just clean, intelligent updates tailored to your life. That's exactly what OpenAI's newest feature, ChatGPT Pulse, has to offer. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. ChatGPT Pulse is taking a bold leap from chatbot to proactive virtual assistant, blending AI smarts with real-world usage, which is exclusively available to pro users for now. Instead of waiting for your input, Pulse smoothly generates daily reports based on your emails, calendar events, and saved preferences, thanks to ChatGPT's growing suite of connectors and its powerful memory system. Every morning, users will receive 5 to 10 cards filled with AI-generated visuals, clickable summaries, and source references. From travel plans and meeting reminders to personalized meal tips, it's like having your own digital chief of staff, minus the corporate mess. Pulse is not holding back in design either. The daily report will end with a refreshingly human touch saying, "Great, that's it for today." At $200 a month, it's clearly made for professionals, power users, or anyone who wants their life curated with precision. But OpenAI isn't stopping there. Plus, subscribers might also get this update soon with new features like restaurant bookings and real-time updates. OpenAI is making Pulse as a true competitor to services like Apple News, but with a more intimate, AI-driven twist. It's news, life updates, and a personal assistant all rolled into one, showing just how far AI has come from answering trivia questions to organizing your day. Do you think this update is useful? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.